Hello guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips and we'll be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family, okay? If you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you, okay? So these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So I will go straight into it right away, starting with GainX 1200. So guys, this is GainX 1200. Then let's check it out and see what we can achieve with these, okay? And okay, I will be using 15-minute time frame to do my analysis, and I'm using the train milker 3M train milker custom milker on my chart. Okay, so let's do this together. So guys, this actually started an uptrend right from here, as you can see. It started somewhere here, and it has been going up and up and up, okay? And it got to this resistance, it was unable to break out above it, sold for a while, came back up, and of course sold also for a while. So this is it, guys. If it should break out from here, from this particular support base, if it should break out from there, then we are most likely to see it get into this region. But if it does not, it will push back up and see if it can break out from this structure, okay? So this is very, very important, even though at the moment it is still trying to sell, okay? But if it's unable to break out above, if it's unable to break out below this support region, then it will go back up and try to break out from here. So we should take note of that. So this is selling at the moment, even though it might not be for long, okay? So except if it breaks out below that. So that is very, very important. The next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999. Right from this resistance zone, it started a downtrend and it has been selling since then. If you should remember, I gave a signal on this particular trade last week. Yesterday rather, and of course it has been selling since then. TP1 achieved, TP2 achieved, TP3 achieved, TP4 finally achieved, because it had a major pullback that yesterday, and of course right now it has achieved TP4. And of course guys, I told you if it breaks out from here, then it is most likely for it to get to this region, okay? So right now it is almost getting to the last TP. So congratulations to those of you who have actually taken steps to trade this particular signal. The signal was actually released 2 days ago, but there was follow up on it yesterday, and of course we have actually achieved it today. Okay, so that's so amazing. Now let's move on to PayNext 1200. This is PayNext 1200. This had been on downtrend after giving us signal on it around here, and it has been selling since then, guys. It has been selling since then, even though we are waiting for it to get to that support region and switch over to an uptrend fully. Let's check it out on higher time frame to see what is happening. Okay, let me go to H4. Okay, okay guys, you can see it on H4. Okay, so if it should break out fully from this support region, then definitely it will be targeting this region. So which means we might still experience more selling opportunity right from there, except if it's unable to break out from that support region, that is when it will not sell. Okay, so that is what we are looking at right now, but for now it is still selling, guys. For now it is still selling. Now let's move on to PayNext 999 and let's check it out together. This is PayNext 999. Like I said in the morning, that this particular asset had been buying since then. Since um a day ago. Okay, so it started from here, broke out from this side to give us more buying opportunity, but it played around there for a while. And I told you in the morning, if it's going to sell, then it will have to break out from this support trend line. And if that happens, then it will head towards this. And if it should break out from here, then it will get to this region. But if it does not happen, then it will go back up and try to break out above the resistance zone, because it still have the opportunity to buy more. And as you can see, it is heading towards there, and of course it's trying to break out from the resistance zone in order to give us the opportunity to buy more. So this is still buying at the moment, okay, just the way we have seen it right now, it is still buying. So the next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80, and of course this had been on uptrend for a while, got to this region, it has not been able to break out from here. So it's trying to switch into a downtrend, and it is selling right now. If it should break out from this support region, then it's still going to sell more. It will get to this region and also get to this region. Okay, so this is going to be more selling than buying at the moment, except if it breaks out above the resistance zone, that is when it will not sell again. Okay, and that is when it will continue to buy. So we should take note of that. Okay, so guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And of course, all you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Okay. And of course, guys, if you are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you can try it out on your real account. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family.